Hello guys, would you like to type faster and more accurately? Now this video is for you. This video covers some of the important rules in touch typing. Okay, so I'm going to teach you, explain to you the touch typing rules, tips and tricks that will guide you or help you in enhancing your typing speed and typing skill generally. So first of all, what is touch typing? Touch typing means typing without looking at the keyboard using muscle memory and proper finger placement. It helps to work faster, reduces strain, and lets you stay focused on the screen. So basically, touch typing is when you have come to the stage where you are able to type without looking at your keyboard. This actually helps you to type faster, whatever you are typing, especially in Microsoft Word or anywhere on your computer. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the basics, some of the basic rules that we follow in touch typing. First of all, you place your fingers on the home row of the keyboard, all right, which include ASDF and JKL and column, all right, for the left and right hands. Okay, so I'm going to show you a photo right here that shows the proper finger placement of your on your computer. Okay, these are the home buttons or home keys of your keyboard. You can see the placement, the finger placement, and then the thumbs are right here on the spacebar. So take note of the left hand side, the right hand side, and the color code on the keyboard. All right, it means that the labeled fingers, they control all these buttons they are assigned to. Okay, the pinky finger right here, the ring finger, left ring finger, the middle finger, the index finger, and then the thumb. Same with the right hand side here. Okay, so let your finger do the work while typing. This is going to really help in enhancing your speed. Okay, if you get used to it. All right, so next, okay, like I just said, the thumbs rest on the space bar, don't forget that, and then always return to the home row after each key stroke. Okay, for example, if I want to turn on the caps lock or I want to hold the shift or the control, all right, and I'm done with it, I will have to return my finger back to the letter A. That's my pinky, left pinky will have to return to A. All right, so always return to the home row. Okay, after you are done typing or punching the key you want to use. So each finger has its assigned keys. Okay, I already explained that right here. All these color codes we have here shows that each of the fingers are assigned to certain keys on your keyboard. All right, which means that your pinky fingers on both hands has much more work to do while typing, which is actually easy if you understand this. All right, next, here is how to make the most out of touch typing in Microsoft Word. First of all, you have to turn on show text prediction. Now this is how you do that. You go to, like this is what I mean by text prediction. As I'm typing, you can see the prediction right here. Just like you are typing on your mobile phone, you see those predictions that appear on your keyboard. All right, so these text predictions help you in it actually enhances your speed. Okay, instead of typing the full word, it will just give you the prediction and you select from whichever one you would like to use. So you go to file to turn on the text prediction in Microsoft Word. You go to file, select options, and then look for advanced. Right there, click on advanced. All right, and then scroll down. Okay, you are going to find the option somewhere down here. So I'm going to have to find that. Okay, scale, allow field containing. Show shortcuts. Yeah, right here. Okay, show autocomplete suggestions. That's it. So you can see mine is turned on. the autocomplete option is turned on. All right, so once you check that box and you tap OK, as you are typing, it's going to be giving you options right here. Okay, options to choose from, like just like in your on your mobile phone keyboard. Okay, so that's one very nice tip. Okay, turn on show text prediction in Word to help you work faster. Again, uh this is the address. This is how you follow it, okay, to change it. And then next we have control plus backspace delete whole words. For example, if I highlight this, for example, if I want to delete this word, control backspace is going to delete that entire word. Control backspace again will delete that word. Control backspace. All right, so to delete an entire word, you just hold control and backspace, all right, without even highlighting. Next we have control left click or right arrow. Okay, so control left, control R, you can jump between words on your cursor. When you press down the control and use the navigation keys on your keyboard, all right, you can jump between words. Also shift and the arrow button, shift, you can highlight. Okay, this is used for highlighting or selecting without using your mouse. All right, now in our previous video I talked about spelling and grammar check. I would like you to watch that video. It's very important, where I talked about proofing and proofreading. Okay, so you can check our playlist or go through the channel and look for that document, that video actually. All right, so in some of our previous videos, I think the first video in the Microsoft Word series, I also talked about formatting, which I covered font size and zoom. So you can also refer back to that video to watch that and understand how it works. Okay, so this is another tip: practice with short paragraphs and avoid picking while typing. Now, first thing I'll have to say about it is that it is okay to make mistakes while typing. All right, nobody is 100% perfect while typing. You make mistakes, you return back and correct your mistakes. All right, you don't have to be 100% perfect, but try as much as you can to practice and type without picking at your keyboard or looking at your keyboard. Your eyes should be fixed on the monitor, on your screen, your computer screen. Okay, this is where the muscle memory comes in, your finger muscle memory, where you now understand your fingers are used to the positions of the keys of the keyboard even without you picking or looking at the keyboard. Okay, so guys, these are some of the quick rules or tip guides in enhancing your skill. All right, so I'll see you next in the next video.